Mechanical places and toys. Transformation videos are absolutely taking over social media over the past few days. And look at this Instagram page, 132,000 followers gained by just posting these same style of videos, and their top videos are already sitting at 64.6 million, 46.6 million, and 42.5 million views. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. Dubai, India. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Start by opening ChatGPT and asking it for some famous places or objects. Hit enter and it will instantly give you a list of well-known names to pick from. Choose the one that feels the most visually exciting. I am going with Burj Khalifa. Copy it and keep it ready. Now click on More and select GPTs. Inside the search bar, type Mechanical Toy Generator and click on the very first result. Open the GPT and hit Start the Generator, and it will automatically present you with a selection of objects to choose from. If any of them appeal to you, feel free to go with them or simply ask for more ideas. But since we have already chosen our object, just paste it directly in and hit enter. In just a couple of seconds, it will produce 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt for your chosen idea, along with prompts for related objects, giving you even more options to explore. Copy image prompt 1 and head straight over to Google Flow. Select the image option and make sure all your desired settings are fully switched on. Paste the prompt in and hit enter, and within seconds, Google Flow will generate a stunning structural image for your first scene. Pick the one that looks the most cinematic, click the 3 dots, and select Add to Prompt. Now copy image prompt 2 and paste it in, and your second scene image will be generated instantly. Now it is time to bring these images to life. Select the video option from the top and choose VEO 3.1 Lite along with your desired settings. Drag your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter, and your first transformation video is completely done. Now simply repeat this exact same process for any other famous place or object you want to feature. Once all your clips are ready, open any text-to-speech tool you prefer. Type in your place names, country names, or object names and hit generate to create your voiceover. Now for the final step, import all your video clips and audio into any video editor you are comfortable with. Place the audio on the timeline first and trim any unwanted parts. Add your first video clip, position the second location name at the end of the first clip, and place the second video right after it. Add your text overlay in sync with the voiceover at the beginning of each clip. Adjust everything according to your preference and hit export. Your viral mechanical toy transformation video is completely finished and ready to post. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.